Welcome. In this video, I show you function syntax. Before using the Excel formulas with function, you need to know function syntax. So why we need function in Excel? Let's check out. If you have 5 values in column E, you need to type values one by one in cell reference E21. So let's type =, click cell reference E16, enter addition operator, click cell reference E17, enter addition operator, click cell reference E18, enter addition operator, click cell reference E19, enter addition operator, click cell reference E20, press enter. You have a result in a given cell. This method takes time. You can typing error in a formula. So rather than you type formula, use function to simplify your work. Activate cell E21, delete this value. In formulas bar, click insert function. Search some function from the list. Click go. Select some function from the list. Click OK. The function arguments dialog box opens. In number 1 box, select the cell reference range. Click OK. You have a result without any typing text or number. In this way, you can save your time and speed your work. So what is function syntax? This is the basic form of function syntax. Function syntax includes two parts. This is the name of function. You can type here sum function, average function, max functions and others function. But in parentheses, you need to type values. This function will use these values as a result. It returns the result. So function speed your work without any error.